kings of the maritime trade, Firaxis introduces Portugal for Civilization V. Recently, developers from Firaxis announced that Portugal will be the last playable civilization from the New Frontier Pass for Civilization V. Since news stories in the modern gaming industry need to be created several times on the same topic, the developers postponed the publication of the gameplay features of Portugal for a couple of days. So, we meet the best civilization for building a maritime trading empire. The civilization ability of Portugal is called the Trade House of India. International trade routes bring significantly more income, but Portugal can send them only from coastal cities or from cities with a built harbor. In addition, Portuguese traders can immediately dive into the water and travel farther distances than traders from rival civilizations. Unique fighting unit of Portugal. No. This ship replaces the Caravel, is cheaper to maintain, starts immediately with 1 promotion, and can also build 2 coastal factories. We are smoothly moving on to these unique Portuguese infrastructural objects. Victoria is a no-ship-only upgrade that can only be built on the coast of a foreign city. Trade routes leading to the city where the Feitoria is built will earn Portugal additional gold and production points. Portugal also has a second unique infrastructure facility, a navigation school. Replaces the university, speeds up the construction of naval units, improves the scientific development of civilization, and also contributes to the emergence of great naval commanders. Ju III ruled Portugal in the 6th Xiva, who went down in history due to the fact that he tried to develop the country not through a conqueror, but through a skillful merchant. This is reflected in his unique leadership ability, which improves the field of vision of the troops, as well as increasing the limit of trade routes after each meeting with a foreign civilization. In addition, Portugal, under the leadership of Ju III, receives open borders with all city-states. The add-on with Portugal and the zombie mode will appear in Civilization V next Thursday, March 25.